only like OGs we be say, I can say did some shit that was impactful for me. Number one, Timaya. You understand? Because that's you feel me? Number one, Timaya, because that's the nigga that always showed me that, yeah, this guy, bro, I went to Timaya's house in fucking 2013 or 12 or some shit, right? I seen all the cars, I'm like, bro, how long does somebody have to sing before you can get all this shit and build house and shit? He said, bro, do you know how many cars and houses you have? Do you understand? Now, that's the nigga that you can say, you understand, that I'm going to have to respect for the rest of my life. You understand? There's niggas like D'banj. You understand? Bro, D'banj actually paid for one Damo video. You understand? Like, he didn't have to. You understand? So, these are two niggas. You understand? Like, that I really don't play with. You understand? And fucking, yeah, man, it's like, it's not like niggas don't have respect for niggas ain't. Nah, niggas have just been through a lot and fucking, we only remember the people we saw. You understand? In the dark times. You understand? Real shit. Niggas like Gaaga. You understand? We be say that they don't see one or two real shit, man. They deal with men. You understand? Like they know they never did no weird ass industry shit or no weird ass fucking Lagos industry weirdness that was going on, you understand? So these are niggas I respect for the rest of my life. And when you're talking about people that are OGs, as far as I'm concerned, bro, those names are the only names plus Two-Face based on musicality and, you know, the fact that he came and did a feature with me when he didn't have to, you know, back in the day. You feel me? These are OGs to me. Other than that, bro, I can't look at none of you niggas and say you're OGs, bro. Personally. You understand? And this is a personal thing. It's not a, you get me, anybody, ID Kabasa, you can meet Olamide and you can be an OG to him. You understand? Shit like, that's how I see it. We all see shit differently and we've all been through things differently. You understand? So we all fucking see life differently. You feel me? So, yeah, man. Can't forget niggas like Wande too. At the point in time, me and Wande were like, you feel me? Real niggas. But, yeah, man, it's not, you guys just need to understand that life is not